All right, good Wednesday morning. Thanks for checking out this Iowa forecast update here. We can see current radar across the area this morning. Seeing rain showers from about northwest Iowa down through central Iowa. As we look at the severe weather risk for today overall, I do agree with the outlook drawn by the Storm Prediction Center. So there will be a marginal risk of severe weather from about central down into southern Iowa. The main risk, though, I think will be across the southeastern part of the state, and we'll get to that here in just a minute. Looking at high temperatures today, though, a lot of us getting up there into the 60s and 70s. Central east. As you get back into western Iowa here, you see a lot of us down there in the lower to middle 50s, especially near the tri-state region. So there's areas, though, out in front here that can likely get in the 70s to upper 70s possibly out ahead of this here, which is going to allow to build some instability for some potential stronger storms here later this afternoon. As we look at low temperatures later on tonight, you see a lot of us getting down there into the 40s, lower to middle 50s. And then as we look at the forecast radar, as we go through the rest of the day here, the overall idea that I want to drive home this morning is the model is not correct. All right. But just know this area that I just highlighted from basically northwest Iowa down through central Iowa, there is that rain shower band working through this morning. As you go through about 9-10 a.m. here, especially through about 11 a.m., I think we'll start to really see those rain showers come to an end across northwest Iowa as you head towards about noon. And as you go through the afternoon here, I think things are drying up. Can't rule out a possible brief scattered shower as we get into the early mid-afternoon time frame across west to northwest Iowa, but the better risk is going to come in as we get into the evening, especially by about that 4 or 5 p.m. time frame here. You'll start to see some rain showers developing again, and especially as we get towards about 6 p.m., 7 p.m. here, you can see this little stronger storm risk down here across the southeastern counties. That's probably where the best risk is going to be at for some hail, gusty winds, and maybe not going to rule out an isolated tornado with this as well as you get through about 8 p.m., 9 p.m., and then through about 10 p.m. And then going overnight into Thursday morning here, we'll just continue to see rain showers across the northwest to northern half of the state into Thursday morning. And as you go through the day on Thursday, I think a lot of us, after you get towards about the mid-morning time frame on Thursday, a lot of us just dealing with maybe a little bit of drizzle, a few scattered showers here throughout the day on Thursday. But I think for the most part, it's going to be cloudy and it's going to be fairly dry. As we get into Thursday night and into Friday, though, again, as we were talking before, this is an upper-level low, so this system is slowly going to meander its way off to the east-northeast. And so as we get into Thursday night, Friday, I think we'll see another round of wraparound showers back across northwest Iowa. Again, Thursday night into Friday morning. And I think as we get deeper into Friday, the same Friday afternoon, early afternoon, I think we'll finally start to see this system begin to wrap up. But as that second wave of showers comes in Thursday night into Friday, I think that's also going to bring some pretty gusty winds behind that as you get into the day on Friday, with gusts up there 30 to 40 miles per hour across the western half of the state here Friday afternoon. So going to be watching for those breezier conditions to hit once again. So if we look at total precipitation through the rest of the week, this goes through Friday night here, and I want to highlight two areas here: northwest Iowa and southeastern Iowa. Okay, we're seeing the data pick up on a better circumference of a general 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches of rain in northwest Iowa. Now, as you get into the southeastern part of the state, you see more of what looks like a 1/2 inch to 1 inch. I would say a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches is likely down in this direction too, just because as these storms come up into southeastern Iowa this evening, overnight into early Thursday, they're not only going to have the potential to be strong with hail and gusty winds, but I think they can pack a punch in terms of rainfall amounts too. So just wanted to highlight on that. But looking at high temperatures as we go through the rest of the week here, Thursday, a lot of us into 50s to lower 60s as we get into Friday here. 50s, lower 60s, maybe even some mid 60s down there across southern Iowa. But the overall trend as you go to the weekend and into early next week is 50s and into the lower middle 60s. That's all I have for today. Hope you guys have a great day. Chat with you soon.